Alright, in this sum, at what distance should an object should be placed? That means object distance is not given, we need to find it. Placed from a convex lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Convex lens in the sense itself, we need to take the focal length in plus sign as per the Cartesian sign conversions, and to obtain an image 3 times the object. So that means m value, magnification value is 3, but the image, which type of image it is not given. Here in the question they need to provide us whether the image is real image or virtual image, and that information is not here. So that means we need to solve the sum for the two cadres. One is for the image is virtual and another is one the image is a real image, right? So for both the cases we need to solve the sum. So here image distance and object distance is not given. Object distance u and image distance v both are not given. We need to take on it cleverly and we need to solve the sum. So now first of all let me write the formulas that I'm going to use in this sum. So that is, first formula is 1 by f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u, that is lens formula, and another one formula is m equals v by u, that is the magnification formula in terms of lens. So these two formulas I'm going to use it. So I'm going to solve first one for when the image is virtual. So I'm going to consider when the image is virtual. So for this case I'm going to solve the sum first. So for that what I'm going to take was m equals plus 3. I'm going to take it as m equals plus 3. Plus says the image is virtual and erect, and 3 says the image is looking somewhat bigger than the object, right, zoomed, right. Let us solve the sum. So here I have formula for m, that is v by u, which is equals plus 3. So in the question itself they have asked us at what distance should an object should be placed. That means I want to find object distance, I don't want to find any image distance. So I just change this sum in order to substitute in terms of v equals plus 3u. So here I don't want to put this plus and all, little bit later I will leave it, right. So then I will take the lens formula, 1 by f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u. So here in terms of u, I have the same variable, I'm going to use the same variable, and in terms of v I'm going to use this substitution. So 1 by f, that is 1 by f is nothing but 15 centimeter, right, focal length. 1 by f equals plus 3u minus 1 by u. So then as per the LCM, 1 by 3u, so LCM is 3. So when I multiply 3 here on both the numerator and denominator, it will become 3u again here. So then it will become minus 2 divided by 3u equals 1 by 15. So that means cross multiplication. So 3u equals 15 into 2, 30, that is minus 30. Then u equals minus 10 centimeter. If I bring this 3 here, it will become as a denominator and divide it, then we will get a 10. So u is minus 10 centimeters. So minus in the sense it is on the left hand side of the lens, and 10 centimeter from the lens. So let us check as per the criteria. So here the focal length itself they are given, it is 15 centimeter, right. We all know that in convex lens when the virtual image forms means when I keep an object between f and the pole point, the center point of the lens is the pole point. So here when I keep an object between the focus and the pole point, then the image formed will be virtual and direct. For that the object distance must be less than 15 centimeter. So let me check it. Here it is 10 centimeter, then 10 is less than 15, and that means whatever I solved was correct. And the object I'm going to keep it is in the left hand side, that's why here minus came. That is as per the sign conversions, right. So next one I'm going to solve the same sum for when the image is real image. So when the image is real in the sense, then I want to take the m value in minus sign. Minus says with real and inverted, and 3 says the image is somewhat zoomed than the object, or else somewhat bigger than the object, right. So then again formula usage, v by u equals minus 3. I'm going to use substitution for v minus 3u, then lens formula 1 by f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then in terms of in terms of v, I am going to use it here, the same 15 for f, and for v it is minus 3u, and again here minus, and then 1 by u. Then as per the LCM I want to go, so before that I just transfer this denominator's minus to the numerator. So minus 1 3u minus, here if it is LCM then it will be 3 by u. So minus 1 minus 3 it will become minus 4, right? Here 3 will come. So 1 by 15 equals minus 4 divided by 3u, and then cross multiplication 3u equals 15 4s are minus 60, and then here u equals minus 60 divided by 3, and then u equals minus 20 centimeter. So in order to obtain a virtual image, the object should be placed at the 10 centimeter from the lens on the left hand side, and in order to obtain a real and inverted image, the object should be placed 20 centimeter from the lens on the left hand side, so that the image is 3 times larger than the object. And that's all, guys.